Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with the giveaway winners for my bonus giveaway and my week 2 gratitude thankful giveaway. So every Friday in the month of November, I'm going to do a giveaway. So Black Friday, I will definitely have a giveaway. I am planning to have a lot of crafty videos up for that weekend if all goes well, fingers crossed, because I have a lot going on as always. But I am off next week, so it's possible that I will actually get some stuff done. So for the winner for this album and these beautiful paints, the winner is the Shopping Mommy. So if you could email me at scoop71, SCOOP 71 at yahoo.com, and make sure you let me know what you won. Okay? So let me know what you won and let me know your YouTube name and your address, and I'll mail this out next week, probably on Monday. Mondays tend to be my mailing days. Not that I don't mail on other days, I do. It's just that my daughter has dance class, like actually gymnastics, right next to the post office. I can walk. So my giveaway for the bonus giveaway, I had 5 of these packs. So they might be folded, to get it if I don't have a long enough envelope. So keep that in mind, but it will not impact the use of the product, okay? But I do need to be able to mail it. So you will get an adhesive sheet of either pumpkins or leaves, and you'll get one of my handmade little journals. Okay, so the winners for this, I had 5 winners. They are Perfectly Imperfect Crafts, Kelly Ackley, Gracie 21, Carol Doney, and Barbara X. So that's Perfectly Imperfect Crafts, Kelly Ackley, Gracie 21, Carol Doney, and Barbara X. So I don't know if you can see that. I'll put that up here so you can see the winners. Okay, so again, make sure that you email me at scoop71 at yahoo.com. Make sure that you let me know what you won and what your YouTube name is, along with your address, and I'll try my hardest to mail it on Monday. So I really would like people to notify me by Monday morning at the latest, because then I have time to pack it and get it out to you. Normally I say Sunday because I work on Monday, but I don't work on Monday. So we can go ahead and do that, and then I'll mail these prizes out to you. And thank you so much for watching my channel and visiting and subscribing. When I get a chance, so I will respond to your comment, let you know you've won. May not be till tomorrow. So I've got that. And then my giveaway is a little bit of a hodgepodge giveaway, but I thought it was fun. Just some fun things. And to win, it's really simple. All you need to do is leave a comment. Any comment, it's fine with me today, anyone. So what you're going to get is you're going to get this Maya Road Mason Jar album. You're going to get this package of bling. You're going to get this 6x6 Market Street My Mind's Eye paper pad, Nob Hill. You're going to get these Mombi chips, and these they remind me of Disneyland or the 4th of July. They're very cute, very happy. And then you get this prize pack, which I don't want to open, but you get this really cute washi, you get these really cute wood shapes, and then you get, I want to say that this is Post-it notes, like fun Post-it notes. So you get all of that just for leaving a comment, okay? So just leave a comment, and I'll pick a winner on Friday, sometime on Friday. So you have until I pull the names for the winner, basically on Friday. So sometime on Friday, it might be early. Because my kids are going to their father's, so I'll be to my own devices. But I may go shopping. I don't know. Probably not till later in the day. But I hope to post it. I hope to post the next giveaway. And there might possibly be more than one giveaway on Friday. We'll see. because I do, like I said, plan on doing a lot of crafting videos. So I don't know about you, but after Thanksgiving, I don't do a heck of a lot on Friday usually, unless I go out shopping. So I enjoy watching YouTube videos. So hopefully it'll be something for you guys to watch. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and commenting and subscribing. I really appreciate you. And that's what the Thankful giveaways are all about. So have a great weekend, and I will be posting soon.